Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I had a client ask me, how do you embed a video into an Act Marketing Automation email? So right here, we're looking at some videos on YouTube, and I always got a kick out of this one, the Ultimate Dog Tea. So I'm going to click on it. When I click on it, it's going to start playing. I'm going to click on it to stop it. But I want to draw your attention down here to where it says Share. I'm going to click on Share. When this pops up, I want to copy the hyperlink to this video. Okay, so now what do we do next? Well, when we're inside an email that we are editing in Act Marketing Automation, to add a video, what you do is you come over here to the right side under Content, and when you come into Content, there's an option here that says Video. I'm going to click on this, and I'm just going to drag it over somewhere in my email. I'm going to let go. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this area, and over here to the right, you'll see it says URL. I'm going to click, I'm going to paste this video. I'm going to hit the Tab key just to get away from this. And what you'll see in a couple seconds is this will be filled in with that video. So now I have the video there. What it does is it takes the title from the video and puts it in the title for the video. So what I want you to understand is the video isn't actually in the email. When you click on the play button here, the play button will actually open up this video in YouTube. And that's where it will play. It doesn't play inside the video. It's just sort of like a shortcut to get to the YouTube video, but it embeds that video inside. You can do some things over here on the right-hand side where you can change the icon type. What do you want? Do you want a rectangle outline? So that just changes a little bit. Do you want the icon color light, dark? How do you want it? And really, you want to choose the size. How big do you want it to be? And you want to adjust it to the video so it's seen. And obviously, the dark here is not going to work. I probably want something light. Maybe I want something different. I don't know, square outline. Anything you want to put in there. So that's how you do it. What I always recommend is after you do anything to any of your emails, always go up to Actions and send a test to yourself so you can see what it looks like. You test all your hyperlinks and make sure that you test the video and everything's perfect. That's how you embed a video into an Act Marketing Automation email. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Be well, my friends.